Every gram of KGF heritage gold begins underground.
Speaking Kannada. This is where daylight ends.
Gold doesn't come easy.
Stone is broken inch by inch.
Precision matters underground.
ಹುಷಾರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
The mountain gives way.
Ore begins its journey. From the depths to daylight.
Sari, ಎಳೆಯಿರಿ, ಬೇಗನೆ. All right, pull, quickly. The surface tells a different story.
Not every stone holds value. Every kilogram is recorded. The journey continues above ground. Security is routine. Gold travels quietly.
ನಿಲ್ಲು, ಮುಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು.
Processing is about to begin. Nothing moves without human effort.
Transcription. Raw rock meets raw power. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕು. ಏ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕು.
Stone is broken down to reveal promise. Every fragment moves forward. Patience turns rock into powder.
ಈ ಪುಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ.
Gold begins to separate itself.
ಒಂದು, ಎರಡು, ಮೂರು. Value starts to show.
The real transformation begins next.
ಮೂವತ್ತು, ಮೂವತ್ತೊಂದು, ಮೂವತ್ತೆರಡು.
Precision starts before fire.
Old methods demand respect. ಪ್ರತಿ ಧಾನ್ಯವು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ.
Every grain matters.
Fire reveals truth.
What survives heat is precious.
Speaking Kannada. Purity is earned. From liquid light to solid wealth.
Gold is born here.
ಇದರ ತೂಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ?
Before beauty, there is trust.
Accuracy defines value.
Identity is forged in metal.
Every ounce is accounted for.
ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ. Security moves silently.
Gold journeys deeper.
transformation awaits.
Sari NAR. From weight to craft. Precision is repetition.
ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು.
From strip to thread.
Craft demands strength.
Form is ready to become beauty.
ಒತ್ತಡವು ಹಣೆಬರಹವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
Strength becomes form.
Heat restores flexibility.
Balance is everything.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಹಶ ಓನ್ಯದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು.
Every chain begins one link at a time. Patience becomes strength.
ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಾಜಿ.
Fire seals every bond.
Curves define tradition.
ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ, ಬಿಸಿ ಇದೆ.
A circle has no weakness.
Beauty is tuned, not rushed.
Strength is tested, not assumed. Craft now meets refinement. Jagarukkaragiri. Shine is earned through friction. Light awakens metal.
Value never changes with shine.
Finished pieces move forward.
Smoothness reveals quality.
Hands complete what machines start.
Perfection is inspected.
The journey nears its final form.
Presentation gives value a face.
Protection meets elegance.
Identity is marked.
Trust is documented.
Transcription.
ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು.
Every piece is accounted for.
Prepared for the road.
Gold leaves its birthplace.
The journey continues.
A lifetime decision. Gold becomes part of life.
And this is how gold travels from the earth to everyday life.
Sari, Hadi!
Gold leaves the ground where it was born. From mines to markets.
Namaste. Namaste.
Trust changes hands.
Craft meets desire. More than metal, it carries stories.